How to fix issues with OrientedAid Tool when generating UML diagrams in Eclipse. Working with UML diagrams in Eclipse can greatly enhance the visualization of your software architecture. One tool that developers frequently use for this purpose is the OrientedAid Tool. However, some users encounter various issues when attempting to generate UML class diagrams within Eclipse. This guide aims to address these common problems and provide effective fixes for a smoother experience. Understanding common issues. Before diving into the solutions, it's crucial to understand the typical issues you might face with the OrientedAid tool in Eclipse. Incomplete diagrams. Some users report that the generated UML diagrams are incomplete or missing certain elements. Performance lag. Generating UML diagrams can sometimes be slow, causing performance issues within Eclipse. Compatibility problems. The tool may not always be compatible with the specific version of Eclipse or other installed plugins. Fixing incomplete diagrams. If your UML diagrams are appearing incomplete, you can try the following steps. Ensure proper configuration. Check that all necessary settings within the OrientedAid tool are correctly configured. Verify code annotations. Ensure that your code is well annotated, as this helps the tool to correctly identify and represent the elements in the UML diagram. Refresh project. Sometimes, simply refreshing your project in Eclipse can resolve the issue. Right-click on your project and select Refresh. Improving performance. If you experience performance lag while generating UML diagrams, consider the following tips. Allocate more memory to Eclipse. Increasing the memory allocation can help improve performance. You can do this by modifying the eclipse.ini file. Optimize your project. Large projects can slow down the tool. Try to optimize your project structure and minimize unnecessary elements. Closing used projects. Closing other projects that you are not actively working on can also improve performance. Compatibility solutions. If the OrientedAid tool is not compatible with your version of Eclipse, try these steps. Update Eclipse. Ensure that you are using the latest version of Eclipse, as updates often include fixes for compatibility issues. Update OrientedAid tool. Similarly, make sure that your OrientedAid tool is up to date. Check for conflicting plugins. Sometimes, other plugins can cause conflicts. Try disabling other plugins to see if the issue persists. Conclusion. The OrientedAid tool is a powerful resource for generating UML class diagrams in Eclipse, but like any tool, it may encounter issues. By following the solutions outlined in this guide, you can resolve common problems and enhance your experience. Whether you're dealing with incomplete diagrams, performance lags, or compatibility issues, these strategies will help you get back on track and make the most out of your UML diagramming efforts.